Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to upload a video on Wix website in 2024. Of course, Wix websites will make very easy for you to build a professional website tailored to your need in just some few seconds or minutes. Of course, not just say seconds, it's too much. So make sure to follow this step-by-step guide and I'll show you how to create a website and even how to upload a video into it. So make sure to stick by and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave for you. You can use whatever you want. Once you do so, you would like to go to this URL section. Basically, just go to wix.com right away, which will take you to the Wix, of course, the home screen and the main screen. If it's your first time, basically you'll be taken to this page instead. Here, you can click on login at the top right corner. If you have an account, by any chance, as you can see, you can even use a Google, Facebook, or Apple account if you don't want to go and log in by your own. The same will be for sign up. You can use a Google or Facebook account if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating or even logging in into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself here, as you can see, which is going to be the dashboard or site. And here, first of all, you can start creating a site. Of course, you can even create a site using AI. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to design or do anything. Of course, you can create it fully with AI. And you can, of course, after that, customize it or make some small edits if you didn't like some places. Of course, I've already made a video on how to create a site with AI. You can go and check it out by your own if you are interested about that. You will find it in this channel. Of course, for me, I'll just go and access one of my sites. As an example, I'll access this last site. Why? Because it's created the last site I created with AI. So I'll just go and access that right away. Of course, like the interface might look different for you depending if you're using Wix Studio or Wix Editor. So, for example, here I'll open another tab. Example, so I'll open two tabs. Oh, sorry. I'll open here two tabs to show you. One will be with Wix Editor, which is this one example. So I'll just go here and click on Edit Site. And the second one, I'll open one of those example, which is going to be with another option, which is going to be Wix Studio here in my case. So once I do so here right away, as you can see, so let's just wait for this until it load. Of course, here, yeah, as you can see, this should load also. So the interface will look different. It's not going to be too much different. Of course, AI, you can use this with this Wix editor. You cannot use it with Wix Studio, so keep that in mind. If you already like have a website and you will publish a video into it, and yeah, you'll have to keep that in mind. Of course, other than that, so let me just wait. Example, yeah, here is example this load and this loaded. So as you can see here in this like Wix Studio, I'll show you how to upload video, of course, on both. So here I'll just go and create first of all a new page, a blank page, so we don't miss like things around. I'll just go here and click or add a new page. I'll just name it like testing page. Why not? So testing here page, and yeah. So this is gonna be my testing page here. I'll just go and click on add or plus, which is add elements. In here, of course, we'll choose a video. I'll just go and drag it. Of course, you can put it wherever you want. You can make it bigger, smaller, however you want. Once you click on it, of course, as you can see, you can click here and change the video to upload a video from your own computer, or even you can use something from here, YouTube, or you can even use some AI image creator, but this is just for images. Keep that in mind. So for me, I'll just go and upload the media from my own computer. Of course, you can upload it also from Wix, from Google Drive, Facebook, Instagram. As you can see, a lot of options here. You can even upload it using a link. For me, as I said, I'll use this computer and click on upload from computer. Here, I'll just go to the file. As you can see, I have a video here. I'll just go and click on it. As you can see, it's uploading right now. So I'll have just to wait for it until it's uploaded. It should not take a lot of time. Of course, in the meanwhile, I'll just go and do the same in here. So I don't know why is this taking too much time. So of course, I'll just go back here, change video again. Okay, it's uploaded. So I'll just go and click on that video. As you can see, it will take me here. So I'll just go and double click on that. And as you can see, it should be uploaded right away. Of course, if you click on the play button, you can change it however you want to whatever button you want. As you can see, I'll put this example or this. Yeah, so this look good. Of course, you can make it, as you can see, even like something stupid like this or whatever you want. As you can see, multiple options that you have. Of course, this does not look good behind like my video. So I'll just put this, or yeah, this looks good. So now if I go here and click on preview, as example, click on the video. As you can see, the video is playing. You can even enable the music or disable this however you want, or the sound. So sorry, for me here, as example, if I click on that, I can even change some other settings on it. As example, if I want to reset the video, if it's finished or not, if I want, as example, to change like the focal point, if I want to change the behaviors and the mask, I will be able to do a lot of other stuff. This is basically in Wix Studio, but for Wix Editor, an example, okay, I don't want to even add donations. I don't know why it's taking so much time. So I'll just load and stay on this page just in case if it's not gonna load correctly or something like that. So let me just wait a little bit. It should not take a lot of time for me, and I should be right into it. So here, yeah, as you can see, now it should be correct. So all I need to do, of course, again, I'll just go here to this page. As you can see, the interface a little bit different, not too much. So I'll just go to this list panel, click on pages here, click on add a new page. Of course, I just want a blank page. I don't want nothing. And once this blank page added, as example, I'll just name it again here, testing page. Click on done, and I'll go to this plus on elements, or of course I can do it in here at the same. Of course, here it has this plus also, so it's kind of the same thing. Here, of course, I'll look for a video. Where's video? Of course, you can even use this search button if you don't want to like look for it. You can type video, but for me, as an example, I'll just go and look for it in here. So gallery. No, not a gallery. Yeah, here is this video music, of course. Yeah, video upload. That's good. I'll just go and click on it. Click on change video. Here, I have something from my computer, so I'll just go and choose that option. And as you can see, I'll click on change like video right way. Of course, you can upload some from YouTube, from other options. And yeah, for me as example, I'll just go to home, and it should be somewhere here. Where is it? Example media from Wix. What about that? Is this that? It's not this video. So where is it? The one that I just uploaded recently. It should be like, what about my boards? Okay, it's not like here for some reason. Okay, I'll just go and upload something. I'll upload the same again because yeah, because it's another like website. That's why it's not showing me the same. So it's fine. I'll just wait for it until it's uploaded. It should take like just some 10 seconds to 15, and it should be good to go. Of course, after that, I'll be able to edit the settings of it again the same way. Of course, here once like you upload it, you can resize this or put it wherever you want. And of course, if you and everything is good, you can simply just click on publish and publish the site. Click on save and continue. Of course, to choose whatever like you want, whatever URL you want. You can even connect your own URL. I've already made a video on how to do that. Also, you can go and check us out. The same will be for Wix editor example. So here's it. Just double click on it. Make all the changes that you want on it. Click on publish if you want to publish it, and you should be good to go. So that's gonna be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.